How to fix Facebook account temporarily locked. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And then in the source bar, search for Facebook customer service. Head over to the very first site, as in Help Center. It will open up this page. Click on Login, Recovery and Security. Now in this page, you have to select My Facebook account is locked. It will show you the step-by-step guidance on how you can unlock it. If it doesn't help you out, then click on No right here. Choose Other, and then tap on Select. Now in this page, state the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. Tell them that your account is temporarily locked, and please help me recover it. Once done, tap on Submit. Now within 24 hours, your account will be good to go. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.